Hey y'all, welcome back to our 10-day creativity challenge. This is day 5. My name is Catherine. Today we're talking about your playing environment. Do you have a nice, tidy place that's inviting for you to go sit and play your instrument and make some music? If you don't, this is a great opportunity to set up your music space, or maybe your music space needs a little love. Maybe it's got a pile of clothing in your chair. Catherine. Maybe you need some new exciting things. Maybe a candle with a scent you really love. Maybe you get some sparkle lights. Mine are burnt out right now. I'm working on getting those fixed. But for me, those are an awesome addition to my music space to make me really excited to sit down and play a little kind of touch of magic there. So yeah, part 1 is your playing environment, giving yourself a nice, inviting space to play in, to allow yourself to be more creative. Number 2, I want you to think about taking your instrument to a new space where you don't normally play. So maybe it's a different room of your house. Maybe it's taking your ukulele outside. Maybe you go to a park, take it on a walk, see what happens. Maybe you just sit outside on your balcony, whatever is accessible to you, get some sunshine. So your 2 assignments this week. Number 1, give your music space some love. Maybe you treat yourself to a nice new item to make your space extra inviting. Very important also is to have a wall hook for your instrument or a stand so your instrument is always readily accessible. If it's in the case, you're not going to grab it to play it as much. If it's on the wall in plain sight, you're going to be playing way more music, I promise you. So if you don't already have one of those items, definitely get one for your music space. Okay, step 1, music space. Now, number 2, play some music outside, wherever it is, or maybe it's just a different room in your house. Shake things up a little bit. But I want you to try to play your instrument in a new space. Let me know how that goes. Have fun with this one, and I will see you on day 6. Bye. Ukulele wine time.